We'll learn about all-purpose clusters now. Imagine a workshop where tools are always available and multiple people can walk to experiment, build, or test ideas just like this. All purpose clusters in Databricks serve the same role. They are interactive compute environments that stay active until manually shut down. They allow multiple users to collaborate on notebooks, run ad hoc queries, and perform exploratory analysis or analytics. This makes them perfect for shared development, debugging, and flexible workloads that require persistent compute power. Let's meet in our next lecture.